I'm Sylvia Wright. I'm a news officer at the University of California, Davis, UC Davis campus. What I know right now is that one of our graduate students, she's getting her doctorate in ecology, her name is Starry Sprenkle, is missing in Haiti after the earthquake. She went missing yesterday. This is a picture of Starry and her husband, Lancy, and their daughter, Jasmine, who's 20 months old today. Starry is a researcher at UC Davis in Haiti. She is married to Lancy, who's a Haitian, and she lives in Haiti. She was at her home in La Chapelle with her daughter when she learned from her husband that his mother had died at a hospital in Port-au-Prince. And so she was getting ready to travel by car with her daughter, probably, to Port-au-Prince to be with her husband. And she sent one last text message to her parents who live here in California saying that she was leaving for the hospital in Port-au-Prince at 1:53 p.m. Pacific time. And that is the last that her family's heard from her. So, as you might understand, they're very concerned. I spoke with her father, and he gave me permission to talk about Starry and her family with you, and he said, "We are obviously distraught. We're hopeful that she and Jasmine and Lancy are all right, and we're waiting to hear from them." Starry has been studying the local ecosystem, and Dr. Rice can talk a little bit more about that, in Haiti for about 6 years. And her family says that since she arrived in Haiti, she's fallen in love with Haiti, the people of Haiti, and obviously one person in particular. And what she's doing, we're really proud of, her family says. Her work is having an enormous impact on people of that valley. She's doing good work for a good cause, and we're really proud of her.
No one has heard from them.
That's right.
And not from the husband either.
That's right.
Now, do you know if the child was with the mother?
Her family says that she did not say specifically that Jasmine was traveling with her to Port-au-Prince, but that it's highly likely that she was. They would have no way of knowing that an earthquake was coming, and she was simply going with her daughter, probably, to be with her father after the death of his mother.
Are there any leads in trying to help find her?
She would have been traveling by car from La Chapelle to Port-au-Prince. I don't know what hospital. Her family doesn't know what hospital her husband's mother was at, and so it's really difficult. There's very little known right now about where to even start looking for Starry. The UC system is an extraordinary network of researchers and students, and it is a big family, and everyone at the University of California is going to be very concerned about Starry and about our other individuals that are in Haiti, and we're waiting to get good news, and we're hoping for good news.
And can you say their names again and introduce them?
So here you have Starry Sprenkle and her daughter Jasmine.
Starry's right here. This is Jasmine, her daughter, who is
20 months old today.
20 months old today. And then her husband.
And his name is Dr. Lancy Hippolyte. He's a medical doctor in La Chapelle.
My name is Dr. Kevin Rice. I'm in the Department of Plant Sciences and also the Ecology Graduate Group. Myself, along with Dr. Truman Young, are what are known as major professors for Starry. We are both supervising her research in Haiti.
How long have you been supervising her research?
Well, we'll be into our 3rd year, where we've been formally the co-chairs of her committee.
Do you speak with her on the phone, in person, via online?
When she's in Haiti, it's primarily via email.
And how often do you speak with her via email?
Oh, it varies. It's primarily fairly technical stuff in terms of when she runs into some problems in terms of doing the experiments or running the research. But it's about maybe once a week, once every couple of weeks.
And the last time you spoke with her?
Last time I spoke with her was in person when she was here just before the Christmas break. and that was probably, beginning of December.
What project is she working on, and is she excited about it, and what kind of student was she?
Okay, so let's see, I'll start off with what kind of student she is. Well, she's a National Science Foundation fellow, so you have to be pretty good in a whole wide range of different skills in order to be one of those. She's very good academically, she's very dedicated to her research and also to helping the people of Haiti. Her research project in particular is she's using a range of techniques. It's in the general area of restoration ecology and agroforestry, where you're using plants basically to reestablish the plants on this fairly eroded, there's a lot of soil erosion in Haiti. It's a real problem in terms of sustainable agriculture in Haiti. And so what she's doing is she's using a range of different tree species, planting orchards to reestablish a base, an agroforestry base for the people there. It's what's known as community-based research, where she actually involves the local people. She just doesn't sort of fly in and do something and then disappear. The people in the communities that she's involved with are integral parts of her research. So she involves the people in terms of conducting the research. The idea is just planting a range of different tree species that are important for both wood production, fruit production, food. And not only do they provide this kind of resources, agricultural resources for the local people, but also the trees, because they drop their leaves, they start to rebuild the soil. And that is one of the major problems in Haiti, is essentially massive amounts of soil erosion. So it's a really fantastic combination of very important fundamental research combined with really addressing a real pressing need in Haiti.
Can you talk about what kind of person she is?
She is incredibly optimistic, very, what I would call sturdy in the field. She knows her way around Haiti. That's one of the reasons that, although obviously I'm very concerned, I'd be much more concerned if I was in Haiti right now as opposed to Starry. She is very field tested. She is very engaging. She's very social with it when she's here. She interacts really well with the folks in both of our labs. As I said, it takes two major professors to keep up with Starry. So both Truman and myself are really lucky to be working with her.
Did you meet her little girl and her
Yes.
husband? Can you talk about them?
Well, they're great, right. So I was there when Jasmine was born. Right after she was born. Starry said that she thought that at grad school was hard, but then when she gave birth to her child, she knew it was really heavy lifting. Yeah. I've met him a couple of times. He seems like a fantastic, very supportive person. I don't really know him that well, though.
And how do you feel about...
Well, I think that she just represents a lot of what is really good at UC Davis in terms of students that are trying to do good research, but are also trying to apply that research to solving problems in the planet. It would be great to get a text message or some sort of email from Starry. So, as I said, if anyone happens to see her along the road, it'd be great if they could just ask her to give us a call. We'd like to hear from her.
When I spoke to Starry's father by telephone today from his home in California, he's there waiting with Starry's mom for any information about her whereabouts or her safety. He said that they were very distraught, that they did not want to do any media interviews, but he asked me to say that they're very proud of Starry and they're very concerned about her and her family, and they're hoping to hear very soon good news about her and Jasmine and her husband Lancey and his family.
And you said that her family is located in California?
Starry's family is located in California, and her husband and his family are located and live in Haiti.